This dish is super simple and I can't wait to show you. Egg-based sauce with artichokes and asparagus, all fresh off the season. We're gonna make an angel hair pasta from scratch. It's a 2-for-1 video. So for a classic handmade pasta with egg, all we need is 1 egg per 100 grams of flour. That's the golden rule and that's what we're going to do today. As for the flour, we're going to mix 50-50, some white flour with some semolina. In our opinion, it's the best mix, the one that delivers the most balanced texture for your pasta. And naturally, if you want to find out more about homemade pasta and pasta in general, check my latest book, Pasta Affair, 50 Authentic Recipes from Italy. It's wonderful. This pasta is unbelievable. It will be perfect for this dish. Those are fresh artichokes, not the one on the can. You do need to practice, guys. I'll show you. It's quite simple. If you want to save some time and buy some artichoke hearts, then buy the one on the can, not the one that are soaked with vinegar or oil. The leaves are tender now, so we're getting closer to the heart of the artichoke. Now we slice it in half. This fuzz of the artichoke, we need to remove that one and we don't like it. In Italian, we call it la barbetta, the little beard. Now we slice our artichoke and we put it right away into the lemon and water that we prepared before, so we minimize the discoloration. We are going to add some asparagus in this dish, but not just the one that are so-called store-bought. Nothing against them, it's just that they're not as strong and powerful as these guys. They're coming from the countryside. I have to tell you a secret, even our grandma Lulu sometimes trespassed for the sake of this prized vegetable. And since we're speaking about our grandma Lulu, sometimes we've saved her butt from rolling down the hill. I'm just cracking on this one because you won't believe they would do anything for this asparagus, these people, crazy Italians. Now it's time for the spring onion. As for the herbs, the aromatics, they're really important in this dish. We use marjoram, thyme, and tarragon. Let's combine all together. Now we can cook the artichokes, saute the artichokes. Olive oil in abundance. There's no fat coming from guanciale here, so we want to make sure we have a nice olive oil bed to saute our artichokes and asparagus well. Let's add the aromas e gli asparagi. Li aggiungo dopo, ovviamente, perché ci metteranno meno a cuocere. Sfumiamo con un pochettino di vino bianco, se ce l'avete ovviamente, se no ci metteteci un pochettino d'acqua. Let's make sure the artichokes are cooked, and then we add salt to this. This are ready. Now let's check the pasta. When the pasta is ready, we dump the pasta here. We mix the pasta with this. And then off the heat, we add the egg and cheese mix. Carbonara style egg sauce. So we're gonna have only yolks, just like in the carbonara, obviously. We're gonna add to it our cheese. When you do the carbonara, you use pecorino, a strong cheese. In this recipe, instead, the fresh, delicate goat cheese, mix it. It's a very good blend between this Parmigiano and the goat cheese. I really like it. And some pasta water, which we're going to use to temper the eggs and also to create the right volume for the pasta. Now, for anyone who wants safety in the kitchen and on the table, and I understand that I'm one of them, you can always pasteurize these eggs before incorporating into the pasta. This is how I usually do it, and it works really well. So I use the steam, the vapor coming from the pasta that cooks on the pot, to gently cook the eggs slowly until I reach 68 Celsius. It will give me a very strong reassurance that my custard is pasteurized. How wonderful this custard is. Look at this. Isn't this just velvety? And all we need to do now is dump it into the pasta and finish the dish. All we need to do is add the pasta to it and finish everything with the egg custard. Naturally, we want to keep the pan off the heat, otherwise it would scramble our eggs. And we're going to incorporate this beautiful custard in. Guardate che cremina densa, che bello. Magari ecco, aggiungiamo un altro po' di acqua di cottura, lo allunghiamo un pochettino. All is left is to plate it, and once plated, eat it right away. It's unbelievable, the bitterness from the asparagus, just enough. It comes through beautifully. It elevates the dish without overpowering. The artichokes, on the other hand, are the main star. Do it at home and let me know in the comments how it turns out. And obviously don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes and to hit the like to your beloved Flavia Diamante.